naman sa update sa mga atletang Pilipino. Narito ang panayam kay Chairperson Richard Bachman ng Philippine Sports Commission at alamin ang mga nakalatag ng mga kaganapan ng PSC.
Chairperson, kumusta naman po yung PSC knowing na this last quarter of 2024, napakarami pong sports event na dumaan at magaganap pa lang this coming December?
Yes, this will be the busiest quarter for PSC. We just kakatapos lang ng Philippine Para PNG last week. Tapos this weekend po meron tayong Batang Pinoy, which we will have around close to 11,000 athletes and close to 3,000 coaches, 171 LGUs. And then by December 1, we also have the Bimpiaga Friendship Games. For your info, yung Bimpiaga Games stands for Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, East Asia Growth Area, and Northern Territory Friendship Games. So this is an international event po.
Chairperson, last week, nabanggit mo, katatapos nga lang po nung Philippine Para Games, Para National Games, and nagbalik po siya after ng pandemic. Kumusta naman po yung naging hosting po natin yung pagbabalik po nitong Para Games, and any plans po of PSC to institutionalize itong games po natin for our para athletes?
Yeah, this is my first time to experience yung Philippine Para Games. And we didn't have Para PNG in 5 years. So if I would rate it a success. Na lahat ng mga para athletes were happy that it's back, and we started with 9 sports, and hopefully by moving forward we will grow these sports. We will introduce also team sports like sitting volleyball and blind football in the future. And I would like to thank Phil Spada and PSC employees for making this an event a success po.
Yes po, Sir Richard. Isang linggo na nga lang po bago ang pagsisimula ng Batang Pinoy 2024 at Bimpiaga sa Palawan. Kamusta na po ba yung paghahanda po natin para po dito?
Yes, so far most of the PSC employees left for Puerto Princesa already. May mga atleta or LGUs na dumating maaga. So everyone is there preparing. I'm just making sure yung mga sleeping mats arrive on time. Pero if it doesn't arrive on time, then we will purchase sleeping mats for our athletes who arrived early. Tapos papalitan namin ng yung mga pinurchase ng PSC. Okay, so far the numbers I'm getting is close to 12,000 athletes arriving, and then close to 3,000 coaches arriving as well. And then we have 30 sports that will be played in Batang Pinoy this year. And the new sports would be Jiu-Jitsu, obstacle course, and Courage. And yung comebacking sport po will be the soft tennis, will also be held in Batang Pinoy.
Yes po, Sir Richard. Marami talaga tayong mga sports event ngayong taon. Pero sa susunod po na taon, 2025, ano po ba yung mga malalaking plano ng PSC for Philippine sports, lalo na Disyembre gaganapin po ang SEA Games and ASEAN Para Games?
Yeah, so we just finished our budget hearings. Kumbaga, sabay-sabay lahat, budget hearing, tapos yung mga events ng PSC. So for next year, I will be focused on the infrastructure projects in line. Now we have the construction of a 7-story athletes dormitory. We also have a construction of a 12-story multi-sports training center, rehabilitation and upgrading of our facilities, our stadium, our baseball stadium. And also we have hostings next year. We have a lot of international hostings. We have the Southeast Asian Games in Thailand. We have the ASEAN Para Games in Thailand. We have the Asian Youth Para Games in Uzbekistan. We also have the Asian Winter Games in China. And we also have the hosting here in the Philippines, the FIVB Men's Volleyball World Championships, and the hosting of the FIFA Women's Futsal World Cup po. Medyo konti lang for next year.
Oo nga, Chairman, medyo konti nga lang pero napakarami niyan. Ito na lang, huling tanong na lang sa amin, Chairperson. Ano lang po yung mensahe ng PSC para po sa ating mga bidang bayaning manlalaro na araw-araw nag-training para, kumbaga, i-represent yung Pilipinas sa mga international sports event at magbigay karangalan sa Pilipinas?
My message will be the Philippine Sports Commission po will continue to support our athletes from the grassroots level to the elite level. We had a very fruitful year, 2024, and hopefully we can actually improve next year, all leading towards the 2028 Olympics po.
Ayan, nakasama po natin ngayon sa Philippine Sports si Chairperson Richard Bachman mula sa Philippine Sports Commission. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapaunlak ng aming interview, sir.
Maraming salamat, sir.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you po.
Ayan, so nakausap natin si Chairman Bachman. Hindi naman sila masyadong busy, no? Sobrang dami lang mga events hanggang next year. Pero tingin mo ba, Teammate Bernadette, gaano kalaki yung papel, gaano kahalaga yung papel ng PSC to support our Philippine athletes in general?
Malaking-malaki talaga kasi ang dami nating mga atleta na talagang nag-excel sila sa sports nila. And ngayon na meron ng platform para sa kanila, malaking opportunity to para mapakita nila yung kanilang galing. And balikan lang natin yung mga nabanggit ni PSC, no? Ni Chairperson. Grabe yung sa Batang Pinoy, more than 11,000 athletes yung inaasahan na magpa-participate doon and 3,000 coaches. And malaking event po ito yun. And of course, 171 na local government units yung kasapi para dito.
At syempre, hindi mawawala ang Philippine Sports dyan sa Batang Pinoy. Abangan din natin na magaganap dyan sa Batang Pinoy, ating mga grassroots athletes.
At dyan na nagtatapos ang ating kwentuhan ngayong araw, teammates. Samahan niyo ulit kami bukas. Ako si Bernadette Tinoy at ito ang PTV Sports.